Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a half ASMR video on me opening my new cirkul packet cup thingy. Let me find a spot for me to rest my phone. Alright, I got the fruit punch flavor. It's going to taste pretty good. I will try it in the end. Alright, let's see. Oh, and, hold on. I will start to do more unboxing videos on my channel. I will start to do more unboxing videos on my channel. Hallelujah. Alright, first let's try it by itself. As I suspected, not gonna be able to get much. Alright, well, anyways, I'm gonna go fill it up. Alright guys, I'm back. And I will first be doing a sip of water without anything in it because it's time to drink water. Why does it make that noise? Alright, anyways, let me... And then I'll go all the way from 1 to 10. Can't taste anything. 2. You can taste a little more. 3. Alright, now you can tell what the flavor is. 4. Oh, that's good. 5. 6. Oh. Alright. 7. Oh. Getting too sweet. Oh, I'm scared for 10. 9. Oh. Okay, but this is really good. And finally, 10. Oh, that is strong. Anyways, bye guys. Hope you liked today's video. Bye.